In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete dashboard in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to watch out for, so you can clean up old or unused dashboards with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type HubSpot into the search bar, then click the official HubSpot website. Sign in to your account as you normally would. If your company uses multiple portals, make sure you're in the correct one where the dashboard you want to remove lives. Keep in mind that you'll need the right permissions to delete a dashboard, especially if it's shared with others. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar. Look for the reporting area. This is where HubSpot gathers tools related to analytics, reports, and dashboards. Select Dashboards to open the main dashboard screen. This page is your hub for switching between dashboards, creating new ones, and managing existing ones. At the top of the page, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you pick from your available dashboards. Click that drop-down. You'll notice a section labeled My Dashboards. This is where the dashboards you own or have access to are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the exact dashboard you intend to remove. If your account has many dashboards, the names can be similar, so double-check to avoid deleting the wrong one. Click the dashboard you want to delete to make it active. With that dashboard open, look for the Actions menu, typically located near the top right of the dashboard screen. Click Actions to reveal management options for the current dashboard. From the menu, choose Delete. HubSpot will prompt you with a confirmation window to make sure this is intentional. This is an important checkpoint. Deleting a dashboard removes the dashboard itself, including its layout and filters. In most cases, the underlying reports still exist in your reports library, but the dashboard that organized them will be gone. If this dashboard is shared with teammates or used in recurring reviews, consider notifying your team before you proceed. When you're sure, click Delete Dashboard in the confirmation window. The dashboard will be removed from your list, and you'll be returned to the dashboards area. If you don't see it anymore, that confirms the deletion was successful. If you run into a permissions message, reach out to an account admin to adjust your access or have them complete the deletion. That's it. You've successfully deleted a dashboard in HubSpot, keeping your workspace tidy and focused on the views that matter most.